welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free TRX directly to your Faucetpay account. Then when you reach the minimum on your Faucetpay account, you're going to be withdrawing it directly to your Trustwallet account. So guys, if you know you're watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be among the first to be notified on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called gpfaucet.com. So guys, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box below. So when you click on the link, it's going to be taking you directly to this site, and all you need to do is to click on the register button, which is over here. When you click on the register button, all you need to do next is you enter your username, your email address, enter your password, confirm password. You verify you are human by completing this captcha over here. Then you click on create account, which is down over here. So after that is done, as you can see, email verification is not required. You claim and withdraw by just creating accounts, and more. So after the account is being created, all you need to do is log into your account by inputting your email address and your password. Then complete this captcha over here which says I'm not a robot. So you go ahead and click on the sign in button, which is over here. So guys, when you click on the sign in, as you can see, this is what I've earned so far, 490,000 coins. So all you need to do is to earn on this site. You click on this 4 circles here, which is over here in the top left corner of your screen, and when you click on it, you're going to be seeing some ways you can earn on this site. As you can see over here, you can earn by daily bonus, mad claims, manual faucets, games, and tax. So when you click on the daily bonus, all you need to just do every day, which is every 24 hours, when you come over here, you select, as you can see, select house. As you can see, this is the picture of a house. Then when you click on house, click on claim, and you are going to be given some bonus every day. As you can see, daily bonus claim successful. Another way, when you click on the mad claim, as you can see, you're going to be claiming 80,000 coins, and we have 500 claims, so you can earn as much as you can. Now you scroll down. When you scroll down, you click on collect reward. So please click on the antibot link in the following order, which is 1 + 1, which is 2, 8 + 1, which is 9, and 4 + 2, which is 6, which is 2, 9, 6. So you select key, which is this. Now you go ahead and click on claim. As you can see, it has been added directly to our balance. So you click on OK. Now another way again to earn is by manual faucet. So when you click on the manual faucet, as you can see, we'll be claiming 250,000 coins, and we have 100 claims per day. So you scroll down and click on collect reward, which is over here. Now you click on the antibot link in the following order: 6, 5, and 10. Sorry. So after that is done, you'll be given 80,000 coins. As you can see, we have 499 claims left. So guys, these are the numbers of ways you can earn on this site, and you can also earn by referral. So when you go to the dashboard, you'll be seeing, when you scroll down, you're going to be seeing your referral link. Now when you scroll down, as you can see, for each friend you refer, you are going to be earning 30% off from that your referral. So to get your referral link, you click on my referrals, and when you click on my referrals, you're going to be seeing your referral link there. As you can see, this is your referral link. Then you copy your referral link and share to your friends. As you can see, copied. Now you go back to your dashboard. So guys, to withdraw from this site, all you need to do to place a withdrawal on this site, when you click there, you click on the withdraw, which is over here. As you can see over here, the withdrawal instruction states that 1. Type your Faucetpay or Coinbase email address where you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Select the currency and click on the withdraw button. So when you scroll down, going to do the email you used in creating your Faucetpay account. You're going to be inputting it there. So after that is done, you click on the TRX, which is over here. Then you scroll down, select star. Then you click on the withdraw button, which is over here. So that is how you can withdraw to your Faucetpay account. Sorry, invalid capital. So I will be doing this again. So as you can see, the minimum withdrawal is 1 million coins. As you can see, you need to acquire a minimum of 1 million coins on your balance to withdraw some good amount of TRX. So guys, this is a legit site to earn free cryptocurrency. As you can see, not only TRX, you can also withdraw as Bitcoin and also as USDT, likewise TRX. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be among the first to be notified on that. And also the link to my Telegram channel will be left in the description below. Also join my Telegram channel too, so you can also get more cryptocurrency updates. In case we will not be able to make video on them, you can also get the updates on our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching.